Okay, enough waiting around. Time to get back to where it all began. When I was a young whippersnapper, this was the first juggling instrument I ever used, and I wanted to do it for my whole life. This is what's known as a devil stick. An angel stick, or a flower stick, is skinnier like this and has poofs of rubber on the end. Moves slower, much easier to use. This is the pro model, and it runs around. It's kind of hard to get a hang of, but I'm going to show you tricks with it because it allows you to do more things ultimately, and you can do the same things with a flower stick. Also called Chinese sticks. This is super popular in the Chinese circus. That's where it originated. All kinds of fun stories from when I was over there. If you want to get respect, you got to know how to use one of these. That's what this section's all about. I'm a big believer in making low-cost toys for everything I do. You can make this out of a wooden dowel with bike tire wrapped around. We can do juggling balls out of bird seed inside balloons. We can do the rollabola from the 2-liter bottle with water. We can do juggling clubs from recycled plastic. Do it all, but if you want a good pair, it's well worth it also.